everyone, welcome back to Logging It channel. Today for this video I will be showing you how you can download and install the WhatsApp application on your laptop. So first of all, open a browser on your PC and open a new tab. There you need to tap on the search bar whatsapp.com and press enter. Once you're at the WhatsApp official web page, you will see the option for the downloading for Android, iPhone, Mac or Windows PC. You click on Mac or Windows PC and there you need to click on download for Windows. With this, the file will be downloaded. Once the downloading of the file is completed, you click on the upward menu and then click on open. The WhatsApp is in installation process currently. And with that, the downloading of WhatsApp for the laptop is completed. Now what you need to do to log in is you need to tap open the WhatsApp application on your mobile device and scan this QR code to link your WhatsApp and the WhatsApp on your PC. So this is how you can download and link your WhatsApp account. You can also download the WhatsApp application from your Microsoft Store. For that, you can click on the start button over here. Then click on the Microsoft Store. On the search bar, you can type in WhatsApp. Tap on search. You can see the WhatsApp desktop. Click upon that. Here, you just need to click on install on my device and that will be downloaded on your laptop as well. There's two ways how you can download WhatsApp application. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging It channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.